Hey guys, just gonna do a cold start of my Baja again on my other account, RC Madness 666, which is the one that's gonna be uploaded onto. So yeah, I'm just gonna cold start it. It's very warm today, sun's out. However, the engine, I can feel it. The muffler and everything's hot, cold I mean. So yeah, so it's gonna be a cold start. Yeah. Right, so let's get started. Turn on transmitter. So there's already a transmission going to the vehicle, or a signal, whatever you want to call it. There we go. So let's test it. Just lift it up on the foot. Right, check the fail-safe. Turn off the transmitter, goes into fail-safe mode. Turn it back on. Right, it goes back into normal. Right, goes into neutral. Right. So I know that everything works. Yeah. So it's gonna need a prime because it hasn't been started for about 2.5 months. Fill up your stupid primer bulb. Come on. The vehicle itself won't go anywhere because if you see right here, no spur gear on. Reason why, you had a metal pinion gear and a plastic spur gear. Plastic rubs against metal, it wears the teeth off the plastic. So I need a new metal one, which I'm going to order sometime. A couple of days probably. Maybe even tomorrow. As you can see, it's a bit dirty off the last run. So yeah. So I've just got to try and make sure it's all primed up. Just put the camera on the other hand. Right. It's nice and primed. Right. Right. Put the choke on. There you go, fired. Right. As you can see, works fine. Started pretty fast. Didn't think it was going to start that fast, and now the servo is playing up. There we go. It's because the battery's low on it. After I get that spur gear on, what the hell? It's going into fail-safe mode. Yes, that is because the battery in the car's dying, so it's going into fail-safe mode. Stay on this channel for more videos. My Tomahawk will be fixed soon. Paying for that to get fixed because it's something to do with the servos, and obviously if you didn't read the comment on 1698 Oscar, I'm not good with servos, so yeah, getting that fixed. So be sure for more Baja vids, some more cold starts. Yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.